yun guys, no? Welcome to my YouTube channel guys. For today's video guys, tuturuan ko guys kung paano kumita sa site na to guys. Ito ang OKETRX. So yun guys, tuturuan ko guys kung paano kayo mag-sign up. Lagyan nyo po mobile number dito guys, login password, security password, then attach nyo po yung letter dito. Then guys, click nyo po yung sign up guys. So yun guys, no, nakalagin na tayo sa site na OKETRX. Meron po siyang total balance na 1,009 TRX. So yun guys, no, please recharge at least 5 TRX to get commission. Meron guys announcement si OKETRX. OKETRX is 2022 March 11. Welcome to OKETRX, a company with 180 TRX mines in over 3 million mining machines worldwide. Investor cover the world and continue to expand production capacity. The parent company behind it is Singapore Consortium. Strong financial strength. OKETRX white paper. Register now to get 1,000 TRX mining power. The daily mining income is 5%. Live professional mining is integrity company seeking. The only official link is Telegram group, Telegram official customer service, the only official website. After registration, there are two accounts, basic account and promotion account. Basic account is minimum investment of 5 TRX, lifetime withdrawal. The more invest, the greater the income. Recommend recharge and get rich reward. When your level 1 is deposit, you can get 10% commission. When your level 2 is deposit, you can get a 5% commission. When your level 3 is deposit, you can get a 2% commission. When you deposit 100 TRX in level 1, you can get 10 TRX commission. When you deposit 100 TRX in level 2, you can get 5 TRX commission. When you deposit 100 TRX in level 3, you can get 2 TRX commission. Bonuses can be withdrawn immediately without any restriction. Top up your basic account from TRX. So yun guys, pag nakapag-deposit na kayo guys, makaka-withdraw kayo ng mga commission nyo guys. How to earn promotional account revenue? Share your sign up link on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Recommended to friends around you after someone sign up to invest. The commission is high as 70%. Every time you refer a sign up to friend A, recommends friend B to sign up, and friend B recommends friend C to sign up. If they invest directly, you will get 10% off A's investment, 5% off B investment, and 2% of C investment. These rewards will be credited to your promotional wallet. The TRX in the promotion account will be fully withdrawn on the same day, or it can be directly invested the basic account withdrawn live. OKETRX top 10 global mining basis. OKETRX namin yung global mining basis. My number 1 next to the GR Columbia Harbor Station in the Upper Columbia River, Washington State, Northern United States. My number 2 next to the Tocoiri Harbor Station in Northern Brazil. My number 3 Zambezi River, Zimbabwe next to Bashawer Station, Mozambique. My number 4 the lower reaches of the Tocantins River in the Amazon region of Northern Brazil, adjacent to the Tocorrebo Power Station. My number 5 next to Tacoma Highway Station on the lower Oroni River in Valenzuela. My number 6 Upper Parana River near Paraguay, Brazil, next to Itaipa Power Station. My number 7 next to the nuclear power plant in Calgar, Karnataka, India on the banks of the Calenda River. My number 8 Upper Xingu River in the lower Amazon River, Brazil, in the Mission Highway Station. My number 8 next to Jayla Shawi Station, Eastern Venezuela. My number 10 Upper Yenisei River in Siberia near Sayan Shasheng Highway Power Station. So yun guys, no, kung nakabalik na ulit tayo sa ating site guys, no, so magtutungo tayo guys sa ating trading system. So yun guys, no, trading profit 24 hour settlement guys. So guys, plus 5% cloud mining is working guys. So click natin to guys. Product list is OKETRX my number 1, daily rate 2%, cycle 7 days. OKETRX my number 3, daily rate, cycle 30 days, okay, eat my number 10, daily rate 5%, cycle 90 days, okay, ETRX my number 5, daily rate 6%, cycle 120 days, okay, ETRX my number 8, daily rate 7%, cycle 150 days, okay, ETRX my number 2, daily rate 8%, cycle 180 days, okay, ETRX my number 7, daily rate 13.5%, cycle 360 days. So yun guys, after nito guys, magtutungo tayo sa ating share guys. So yun guys, now nakalagay dito guys is invite your contacts or friends and earn rewards. So yun guys, ang gagawin natin guys is kakakopy natin yung link guys, then pwede natin i-send sa ating mga friends sa Facebook, Messenger, Instagram. So yun guys, no, after ma-send natin guys, makaka-earn na tayo ng mga rewards. So yun guys, no, after dito guys, no, pupunta tayo sa ating main guys. Meron dito guys is deposit, withdrawal. So yun guys, tuturuan ko guys kung paano kayo mag-deposit guys. Transfer to basic account and transfer to promotion account. Investment is divided into two modes. Number 1, recharge to the basic account and receive the incoming according to Singapore times 1 after 24 every day. Number 2, recharge into the promotion account. You can receive income according to the parent cycle and return the principal in income you maturity. View notes before investing. Please choose a basic account or a promotion account to invest according to your investment needs. Please be sure with the account to be recharged. This is critical issue. So guys, click natin to guys to transfer to basic account guys. Transfer to basic account guys is i-copy natin yung link guys, copy address natin guys. After makopy niyan guys, magtutungo tayo sa ating Binance. So yun guys, nasa Binance tayo guys, so paano nga ba makakabili dito guys? Click natin guys tong wallets. Meron 3 types guys, deposit, withdraw, and transfer. So guys, click natin tong withdraw guys. Click TRX, send via crypto network. So yun guys, no, i-long press natin guys dito yung address na galing sa site. Then, lagyan natin yung minimum dito guys. Then, click natin guys yung withdrawal. Click natin confirm guys. So yun guys, no, meron ditong verification guys. Meron ditong code will be sent to our number. Code will be sent to our Gmail. So, hiling natin ito guys nung dalawang send code. So yun guys, pag nakuha na natin yung code natin sa number natin guys, code natin sa Gmail guys, so ilagay na po natin guys dyan yung mga number. So click natin guys yung submit guys. So yun guys, no, requested submitted guys. Napaka-legit talaga ng apps na to guys. Ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Mag-send na kayo guys at mag-invest na po kayo. Then, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated po kayo sa lalabas ng aking mga video.